Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel.
So guys, yes, in this video we'll be talking about tomorrow's intraday trading setup, that is for 7th of April. So before that, we'll see how the market has performed today. Okay, so guys, this is the support and resistance level what I drawn for today on yesterday. Okay, so if you guys can see, this were the resistance and support level, 14,840 and 15,038 were the resistance, and support was 14,449 and 14,258 for today. Okay, so in the later part of video I'll be telling you for tomorrow's support and resistance level for Nifty, and also I'll be telling you for Bank Nifty, and also which are the stocks in use for tomorrow and everything. Okay, so make sure you watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. Now if you guys can see, Nifty 50 was in a range bound today. Okay, so not much of a movement, it was in a range bound, and Nifty 50 closed at 14,683.50 with only 0.31% up. Okay, so not much of a volatile movement if you guys can see. Okay, even if it has broken its resistance, you could have taken a buy entry. If it's broken its support, you could have taken a sell entry to at least get 200 to 250 points of a good volatile and fast movement, but it didn't happen today. Okay, it was a kind of a range bound, even with the Bank Nifty also. Okay, so not much of a movement. Okay, but Bank Nifty in the afternoon, it gave a very good movement towards the sell side. If you guys can see, hit 33,132 somewhere, and then it fell down till 32,650. But if you see Nifty 50 chart, not much of a movement. Okay, so there was not much of a movement today, so it was range bound, it was within our support and resistance level. Okay, so let's see how the Nifty 50 will perform tomorrow. So I'll be telling you the support and resistance level for Nifty 50 and also the Bank Nifty in few minutes. So before that, so today's top gainer was Adani Ports, which moved 14%. Okay, 14% high. Okay, so it opened almost at 756 and the I made was 852.70. Okay, so let me tell you why it moved 14% today. Okay, and it closed at 12.57% up. So guys, like this movement will not happen simply or regularly in intraday trading. There was some news, so that's the reason why it moved like this. So let me tell you what was the news it is. So actually, Adani Ports, what happened is, Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone on Monday said it has acquired 25% stake of Vishwa Samudra Holdings in Krishnapatnam port for rupees 2,800 crore. Okay, so this will result in APSEZ increasing its stake from 75% to 100% in Krishnapatnam port. They did some acquisition, so that's the reason why the stock boomed up today like this to 14%. Okay, so this was the top gainer stock for today, and the top loser stock was Power Grid, which fell minus 2.31% down today. Okay, so yes, this was how the market performed today. So now let's see how the market will be for tomorrow. So I'll be telling you the support and resistance level and also the stocks which are in use for tomorrow. And also today I did a live trade on JSW Steel and booked a profit, and also I explained the logic of how I took my trade and everything. So if you're not yet watched, you can go inside my channel and watch this live trading video which I have done, and also the link will be in the description below of this video. You guys can go to the link and watch my live trading and get to know the logic how I trade. So guys, there is an offer from Upstock where you can earn interest when you open your trading account. So you can open your free trading account by clicking on the link in the description below of this video. So there's a little bit of advantages what you get here. That is, you get zero balance saving account, which is powered by Indus India Bank, and you get brokerage credit up to 500 rupees, and you can earn up to 6% interest on your trading account balance. So whatever balance you maintain, you get up to 6% on that. And there's a smart transfer features to skip transfers between your saving and trading account. Okay, and also once you open your Upstock account by using my link in the description below of this video, you'll be added to my Telegram channel where I news on stock market and also some interesting fact about stock market where I'll be sharing with you guys. So guys, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're new to stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. Okay, so you can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you'll be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secure strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So now let's talk about tomorrow's support and resistance level for the Nifty 50. Okay, so the first support will be 14,577. That is today's low what it has made, and the next support will be 14,460. Okay, and the resistance level will be 14,787, and the next resistance level will be 14,879. Okay, so these are the important support and resistance level for tomorrow's Nifty 50. Okay, so whichever side it may give a breakout, I'm sure like it will move at least 100 to 150 points. So this is just my study. So let's see how it will perform tomorrow. And now let's come to the Bank Nifty. So the Bank Nifty support is at 32,240, and the second support is at 31,933, and the resistance level is at 32,899. if you guys can see, so it is almost in today's level where it has given a breakdown. Okay, so today's level from where the Bank Nifty fell down, that will be at tomorrow's important level. Okay, make sure you guys keep in mind when you're trading on this. And next comes the 33,276. Okay, 33,276 is another resistance level for the Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let me tell you what are the stocks which are in news for tomorrow. That is Tata Steel. Okay, so Tata Steel is in the news for tomorrow because the Tata Steel India has achieved the highest ever quarterly crude steel production of 4.75 million tons with a 3% QOQ growth in Q4 financial year 2021. Okay, so it has given a very good positive result. So this is a stock which is in news for tomorrow. And Punjab Chemical is also in the news for tomorrow, and Somi Conveyor Belt is in the news for tomorrow because the company in the BSE filing has said that they have secured the major orders of worth rupees 30.66 crore in the March till date. Okay, and Reliance and Bharti Airtel are in the news for tomorrow because they are introducing a new thing about 800 MHz bands in Andhra Pradesh, Delhi and Mumbai circles through the spectrum trading. Okay, so Reliance and Bharti Airtel are together for this. So these are the stocks which are in news for tomorrow, which you guys should be careful when you're trading. Okay, so these are the important Nifty 50 levels and Bank Nifty levels which I just said you now. Okay, and these are the stocks which are in news for tomorrow which you need to be careful with. So guys, this is for tomorrow's intraday trading setup. So if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.